Okay, then what is the tax now? Tax under gotate, okay, this is the fees, okay, this is the citizen fees and something which is levied on the person who earns the income of, okay, after certain level. Okay, then who is going to collect this tax? Now, in explain ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ top, okay, terms and the concept of the income tax, terms and concept of the income tax. Okay, then who is going to collect the tax? ಈ tax ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು collect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ collect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Who is having the authority to collect the tax? Then what is the system to collect the tax? Okay, ಆ tax ಅನ್ನು collect ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನ್ system ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, today we are going to learn about these things. ಏನೇನ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಕಲಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು. Okay, the tax, who is going to collect the tax, who is having the authority to collect the tax, okay, what the system they are having to collect the tax, then who are going to make the rules and regulations relating to the collection of the tax. Deepaka, okay, then first ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ constitution. What exactly the constitution? It's a set of rules and regulations for the citizen of India. Okay, namdenidu rule book idu. Okay, samvidhana, the constitution. The constitution, every activities in India should be carried over by the permission of the constitution. You should have the permission of the constitution, you should obey the constitution, and you should follow the constitution, and you can conduct the activity. Even in the case of the government also. Okay, government they have to follow the rules and regulations of the constitution. Whatever we are having, what is the constitution? It's a basic structure. What exactly the India, then what exactly the objectives of India and that is called as constitution. Then constitution has given the permission to the government. Governments go in madada permissions kotar. Yaar kotar government permissions? Constitution. Two types of governments are there. One is union government. Second one is state government. Union government ಅಂದ್ರೆ central government. Union government ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Central government. State government ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಕೇರಳ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಮಧ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್, ದೆಹಲಿ, okay, then Sikkim, okay, Sikkim and Assam and Goa, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, okay, these are West Bengal, okay, Jharkhand, Bihar, these are the states. You can know states. We are having the federal system. Federal system andre we are having one central government, and as well as we are having the states, okay, on the basis of the linguistic things. Okay, language basis Malay, and next geographical basis Malay, we have divided into the states. States again ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Then the government of India permissions ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Government of governments go constitution permission kodate. Then we are having the two states, two governments, which one is union government, second one is state government. Okay, government or in madara constitution has given the permission to the union government to collect yadradu taxation doga, collect income tax and GST and other tax on customs in order. Okay, okay, this is called as central list relating to the tax. Taxi related as central list. Okay, andre we are having the so many types of taxes. When it comes to collection of the tax, rule making authority, collection of the tax, system management authority yari kotaranta, union government, central government kotaranta. Okay, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯದೊಳಗ when it comes to income tax, who is going to make the rules and regulations, who is going to collect the tax, who is going to manage the system, that is the union government. And when it comes to GST also, what is GST? Goods and service tax. When it comes to GST also, who is going to decide the rules and regulations, who is going to decide the rules and regulations, who is going to manage the things, who is going to make the collection of GST. These things will be considered by the union government only. Then when it comes to taxation on customs, what is customs duty? Customs duty, which is a tax levied on export and import of the goods. So customs andreno, customs duty andreno, the tax which is levied on export and import of the goods. If you are importing something, then you have to pay the tax. That tax is called as customs tax. So then if you are exporting something, then you have to pay the tax that is called as customs tax. But in India, we don't need to pay any tax on the export. Okay, most of the cases, we don't need to pay the tax on export. But when you are importing something, you have to pay the tax on import. Import mali in madavakattade ನೀವು tax ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ರೀತಿ related. The administration, when it comes to income tax, GST, customs, you ಮೂರು related ಬಂದಾಗ, okay, youth tax ಬಂದಾಗ, who is going to take the decision? Central government. So, yaar central government ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, okay, then they are going to take the decision. Then when it comes to other tax, state government ಗೂ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು taxation ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Constitution has given the right related to state government also. State governments in madara ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು rights ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ when it comes to the taxation collection. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕ? liquor ಮಾಡಿ. liquor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. Yes, liquor male. Okay, when it comes to liquor should be human consumption. The state government is authorized to collect the tax on the liquor for human consumption. ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾರ liquor ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರ? The state government. Okay, ಅಬಕಾರಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು. Excise department will be in the state government. State government excise department ಇರ್ತದೆ. They are going to collect the tax on these things. And next, municipal tax. Illu state government collect ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, but municipal corporations ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, the municipal corporations will collect the municipal tax and other etc. Then the constitution has given the permission to collect the tax. The constitution has given the permission to collect the tax to the government. We are having the two types of the government. First one is union government and the state government. Union government has the right to collect the tax on income tax, on income, that is income tax, on goods and service, that is goods and service tax, GST, and also we are having the customs tax. Okay, then the tax which is levied on export and import of the goods and services, that is called as customs. ಈ ಮೂರು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಮೋದಿ ಕಡೆ. ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತದ? ಮೋದಿ ಕಡೆ. ಮೋದಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ when it comes to liquor, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. when it comes to liquor means alcohol. okay, alcohol ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ? the state government. okay, when it comes to alcohol for human consumption, ಅದು alcohol human consumption ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕುಡಿತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್. alcohol for other purposes ಗೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? GST ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗೇಂಗ್ರಿ alcohol ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ alcohol used in the shoes polish. shoes polish ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ alcohol ಇರ್ತದೆ. alcohol used in this pen, ಈ ಪೆನ್ ದೊಳಗೂ alcohol ಅದ. okay, then this is not this will not come under the state right. state ದವರು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕುದಿಲ್ಲ. who is going to levy the tax on this pen? okay, the central government is going to levy the tax on these pen. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? the tax, the state government can levy the tax on alcohol, that too for human consumption. human consumption ಏನೇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, human consumption related alcohol ಏನೇ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, then who is going to collect that tax? The state government is going to collect that tax. Okay, I hope all of you understood these concept, what exactly it is. Okay, now if the central government is income tax hogono. Okay, all of you know that now, all of you understood that who is going to collect the tax? The central government is going to collect the tax. Yaudu? Central government. Central government is going to collect the tax. Wait a minute. Okay, I will fill the bottle with the ink which is having the liquor, which is having the alcohol content. ಇದು ಏನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ? GST ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, wait for going to collect the income tax instead. Okay, that is the central government. Central government dor en ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. Okay, you all of you know that to collect the tax there should be the permission, there should be the legislation. Okay, tax collect ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. There should be the government law. Government law ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು? ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. ಒಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ? ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ? ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, RTI related ಏನಿತ್ತು? RTI ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. there is a companies act 1956 was there. Now we are having a 2013. Okay, then that is the rules and regulations which is passed by the both houses of the parliament, and okay, and that the passed bill will be signed by the president, then it will become the act. Then when it comes to income tax, central government for income tax collect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? Then when it comes to income tax act, there should be the legislation. There should be one legislation. ಒಂದು ಶಾಸನ ಇರಬೇಕು. legislation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಶಾಸನ ಇರಬೇಕು. That is called as income tax act 1961. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1961. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 1961. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ cannot collect the tax. ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರತ್ತಂತಾನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. Then under the income tax act we are having the department, ministry. ಯಾವ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದು? Ministry, that is Ministry of Finance. Okay, Ministry of Finance and Revenue. Okay, the Ministry of Finance and Revenue under dolaga one more department is there, that is called as the Great Income Tax Department. Okay, only rules should be implemented by the human being. Yes or no? Rules ಮಾಡಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. The executive persons goes with the income tax department. One more board is there, that is called as CBDT. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ, that makes the rules and regulations. Rules and regulations ಮಾಡ್ತಾರವರು ಯಾರು? CBDT ದರು. What exactly the CBDT? CBDT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Central Board for Direct Taxation. Once again, I will tell you that what exactly the CBDT. Central Board for Direct Taxation. Central Board for Direct Taxation. They are going to make the rules and regulations. Under the income tax department there will be the executive system. Hang DC, AC ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರ? Commissioners ಇರ್ತಾರ, joint commissioners ಇರ್ತಾರ. You know about the income tax department in Bijapur also we are having the commissioner office. IT income tax department office is there will be the commissioner, assistant commissioner, joint commissioner will be there, assistant commissioner will be there, income tax officer will be there. These are the executive individuals who implement the act, that is Indian Financial Act, Indian Income Tax Act 1961. ಇದ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ of the relevant year. Okay, 1961 the Income Tax Act. Don't worry, ministry is there, and the Income Tax Act ಇನ್ನೊಂದು act support ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Every year we used to make the budget. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓಕೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, she used to pass the budget in the parliament. Okay, that is Lok Sabha ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, they used to pass the financial bill, that is the budget. ಆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ದೊಳಗ one act will be passed that called as Financial Act. In that act there will be the changes in the rate of taxation, and ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ಭಾಳ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದಂತ. ಈ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಇನ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಯ್ ಐತ್ರಿ.